Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're on my channel for the first time, this is the first time you're watching my video, you're welcome. My name is Cynthia and welcome to Life with Cynthia family. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted because I know it's not that simple as some YouTubers take it. So I'm so grateful, guys. And if you've been watching my videos and you've never subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Make sure you watch the video until the end for you to learn everything that I talk about or everything that I teach here on my channel, guys. And again, for my new subscribers, thank you for coming across my channel and stopping it here or stopping by to watch this video. I really appreciate. Make sure you watch the video until the end, and again you turn that bell on so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be notified and you'll be able to watch the video as early as possible so that nothing passes you, like you'll be among the first people to watch the new videos that I'll be posting. So on to the video, guys. I want to talk about this amazing social media platform known as Waveful. Actually, on the previous video, the video followed by this video I'm uploading now, or I'm talking in now if you're watching it, I talked about the same app. It's a social media platform just like any other, like YouTube and Facebook, though they have different features. So stay here and watch the video until the end for you to understand how to register and how to make extra money on this app, the simplest way or the tricks that you can use to make some extra cash on Waveful app. By the way, it's so simple. It's very simple, and it doesn't require much like other social medias. You know, on Facebook, for you to start making money on Facebook, you have to have a quite number of followers. But on Waveful, you can start making money as a content creator on Waveful with less than 50 followers. That's so simple and it's so amazing. It sounds so good, I know. So for you to learn how, just make sure you watch the video until the end. Yeah, I'm repeating this because it's so helpful for me and for you. It's so helpful because you'll be able to understand how the process, how everything works, and at the same time you'll be giving me more watch hours to be truthful. Yeah, so that is what I'm saying. It will be so helpful for me and you. So Waveful is not a new app. It didn't like come yesterday, or it wasn't launched or introduced yesterday. It has been there for some last year, from last year 2024, that is, because I remember I joined Waveful on last year, that was 2024. I think that was when it was introduced or I heard about it. So I jumped into it because opportunity like those, I don't take them for granted. I always jump on them so that I can also share with my friends that I have worked with them, or maybe I've tested it, so this is how it works, you know. So that is what I do on this channel. Waveful is an app that you can become a content creator in two different ways, which are so simple. I'm going to mention all the two and also give you the differences. And again, you can also make money by just creating posts, like creating content without being a content creator, and still you can earn. So you'll see, like Facebook, you can only earn if you're their content creator. They have approved you. The Meta has accepted you, like they have accepted you to be their content creator according to the number of views or followers you have. It's vice versa with this Waveful app. They can as well pay you even if you are not approved content creator. So long as you are a member, you've registered for an account and you are active and you are posting content, they will pay you, because people will start rewarding you even if you have 10 followers. So they have something we call there's something we call super likes on Waveful. Super likes are like stars. On Facebook we have stars. People can send you stars when they like your content. That is, it can be video, audio, or picture, photo, that is. So on Waveful, even if you're not a content creator, they can as well allow users or your followers to gift you super likes, and one super like is 14 cents, that is in dollars. One super like is 14 cents. So even if you're not approved content creator, you're just a member enjoying her or himself by sharing content with people across the global, they'll still allow you to get some rewards like super likes. And again, if you want to become a serious content creator on Waveful and start earning it each and every month, that is, they'll be paying you at the end of each month if you are approved content creator on Waveful, of which you have two ways to become a content creator on Waveful. That is, if you gain or you get 5 super likes from people who love your content or what you post. If you get 5 super likes, you'll be a qualified. Actually, automatically, they'll send you an email that you have become a content creator on Waveful, and you'll be welcome in content creators family on Waveful. And another way is to invite your friends. Remember, this app is free, just like you can join Facebook. It's free to join. You don't need to pay even a dime. So if you join Waveful, it's absolutely free. You can share with your friends. Once you've created an account, there'll be an option where you'll be able to see your unique link, which is optional. Referral link, you can share with your family, friends. You can share with them your link, then they'll be able to register. When they register, they will automatically be your followers. Anybody that join under your link will be automatically your follower. So you can share with your friends, your family, even on social media. You have social media as accounts, you can share with them, tell them about the app. They will join you, then you'll be able to get them as your followers. That is automatic. And again, if you reach 15 invites, like if you reach 15 invitees, then you'll be able to become a content creator on this Waveful app. Then you'll be able to start earning each and every month. That is at the end of every month. And their payment method is PayPal. That is the most one they use. I know they are going to add more. And so guys, this is real. It works. If you watch my previous video, I've posted payment proof there. Even you can Google on your Chrome or any other browser you're using. You can search for Waveful payment proofs. You'll see a lot of them. There are many of them. So it is paying, it is real, and it is the simplest social media that can make you some extra money by just sharing your content. And again, you can use someone content. You can use someone content without a copyright, and you can still earn from that. So if you're a content creator, they'll be sharing with you 50% of their engagement, how people are using their app. They'll be giving you 50% of the interaction of the app each and every month. And also they'll be rewarding you with super likes. Your content will also be getting more super likes, not like any other person, like any other random post or any other random user. So that is all, guys. It's so simple. It's so simple. So if you're watching this video, I'm going to leave the link of the app on the description of this video. So if you've watched the video until this point, then the link is on the description. And again, I'm going to pin the link on the comment section. Just tap on the link, it will direct you to where you're supposed to download the app. Then you'll be good to go ahead, download the app, then register for an account, then start posting. You can post daily. they also have strikes. So you can post daily. The more you post, the more super like. The more you post, you can use someone's. You can take contents from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and even Instagram, and still get paid using those contents. So it's so simple. It doesn't need much, guys. It doesn't need much. It doesn't need much. So you can as well do other things and be able to earn some extra cash from Waveful App. So that is all I wanted to share. And guys, I still have a lot to share with you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like my videos. You can also share with your friends who are into niches like this. And again, you can also turn on that bell notification that anytime I'll be uploading any new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So I always come with things that I've tested or I've tried myself for you to try them too. So everything works well. Just make sure that you do the right thing. So if for you to earn money in any site or on any site, you have to be consistent and you have to do what is required, and that is all. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. I really appreciate your kindness watching until this time, and again your love and your support. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next video.